Hey Aquanuts, do you enjoy saving money? Well, so do I. Here's a story for you. My family, like most, has a refrigerator and a pantry, but we also have a food closet and a deep freeze. Don't judge, I've got 5 people to feed. This past weekend, my wife and I decided to go through our food closet, and I know what you're thinking. What does this have to do with swimming pools? I'll get to that in a minute. Bear with me. Our food storage situation was a mess. We decided to tackle the food cabinet first, which was packed from top to bottom. We took out all of the food to check the expiration date to see what we needed to eat first. We found a couple of items that were a little bit past their due date, so we threw them in the trash. But it didn't take us long before we realized we had a lot of stuff that was past its expiration date. And I'm not just talking about a week or so. Some of this stuff was 3 years past its expiration date. I don't know how we got to this point, honestly. But as we started to fill up laundry basket after laundry basket, we realized that we were throwing away a lot of money. My wife and I figured out that we were throwing away anywhere between $250 and $400 worth of food. Needless to say, it was upsetting. Not wanting to repeat this mistake, we went to the store to look for some solutions to this issue. When you purchase quality over price, you tend to make a purchase one time, even though that initial investment could be double or quadruple what a cheaper item would cost. Stay with me till the end, I have a bonus story for you. Back to our food situation. We found bins that would easily organize our canned goods and airtight bins that we could put stuff like cereal, rice, sugar, that sort of stuff in that would easily organize our pantry and our food cabinet, as well as to keep them fresh for longer. We easily spent a couple of $100 just on storage boxes and other organizational stuff just for our food, making sure that we bought quality up front so we didn't have to make these purchases again, hopefully, which will ultimately save us money in the long run. Now, to your swimming pool and how you can save money. For the next 2.5 months, most power companies want to give you anywhere between $200 and $400. Do you want it? I sure do. What do you have to do to get said cash? It's really simple. Just set yourself up so that you can save up to 80% off of your power bill, swimming pool related. How? This sounds too good to be true. Not at all. Thousands of people are doing it by switching from their old electricity-hungry single-speed pump to a more energy-efficient variable speed pump that will not only save you up to 80% off of your power bill, it can last up to twice as long as your old single-speed pump. You're going to get a couple of benefits here. Number one, you're going to save up to 80% off of your pool power bill. You're going to get a pump that's going to last up to twice as long. And the cherry on the top, you're going to get anywhere between $200 and $400 money back from your power company. However, this rebate is going away soon, like I said. And the reason why is because the spring of 2021, the government is going to put into place a mandate saying that manufacturers can no longer manufacture single-speed pumps. So what you will have available to you is just going to be variable speed pumps. Now, if all you can purchase is variable speed pumps, there's no incentive for the power company to give you that $200 to $400 rebate. Derek, if this is a no-brainer, then why did the government have to mandate that variable speed pumps be the thing in 2021? Well, it's pretty simple, really. Price. People are still shopping on price. over quality. And a variable speed pump will cost you double what a single speed pump will cost you. But what people don't understand is you're going to make that money back in 2 years tops. The pump's going to pay for it itself. Anything after 2 years, well, that's just gravy. It just makes sense. If you have not made the smart move, like many pool owners already have, go ahead and call your local pool pro and set up a time for them to install a variable speed pump for you before you lose out on $300. I don't want you to lose out on that cash. I could buy groceries with $300. And now that I've got this new storage system going on, I'm probably not going to lose them because they expired. As promised, here's your bonus story. When I was in middle school and high school, my mom used to buy me these very cheap backpacks. They cost anywhere between $4 and $10. They were the lowest of low. One step above a paper bag, really. And they would always tear up and break about every 3 months or so. So my mom wound up buying me 2 backpacks every year. Well, finally in 1996, I convinced her to buy me a good quality backpack, something that would last. It was one of the most expensive backpacks on the market at that time. It probably cost about $45. And how did that play out? Well, here's that backpack. 24 years later, I still have it, and yes, I still use it. It's my gym backpack, but other than a little worse for wear, it's still a great backpack. Now, let's talk about cost. When my mom used to buy me those cheap backpacks, it would cost her anywhere between $20 to $25 per year. When she finally bought the best quality backpack on the market, which happened to be the most expensive at $45, over the course of the 24 years, that backpack cost less than $2. Buying quality over price wins every time. Aquanuts, if this video has earned your subscription, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and in the comments, let me know your quality over price purchase that you made or someone in your family made that improved their life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.